Next important formula, limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a. A raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a. Limit as x tends to 0. 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x is equal to e. Limit as x tends to 0, log 1 plus x upon x is 1. Limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a, x tends to 0. 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x is e. Limit as x tends to 0, log 1 plus x upon x is 1. Question related with this question is a raised to x question. Raised to x, limit as x tends to 0. Question is evaluate limit as x tends to 0. 5 raised to x minus 1 upon sin x is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Now remember this formula. In this formula, limit x tends to 0. Now a raised to what value must be here, and here must be there minus 1. So that we take log a. A raised to whatever x must be here and minus 1. We take log a. So here is x tends to 0. 5 raised to x minus 1. Here we require x. So we take x at denominator. Limit as x tends to 0. 5 raised to x minus 1. Here is x, so we take x. We take this extra value, so much we take it at denominator, so multiply by x. Similarly, again there is sin x, so adjust that formula. Sin x upon x into x. Sin x upon x into x. X get cancelled. At this limit, that means limit as x tends to 0. 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x is log 5. Limit as x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x is log 5. And you know that limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x is 1. X get cancelled. Limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x is 1. So final answer is only log 5. Log 5 is the answer, log 5. Log 5. This is the answer. We have to solve this question. Evaluate question is evaluate limit as x tends to 0. 9 raised to x minus 5 raised to x upon 4 raised to x minus 1. Is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Now look at this formula. Here is minus 1 there. So in these terms we have to adjust minus 1. Here it is adjusted, but at numerator we have to take minus 1. Look, 9 raised to x. 9 raised to x. For formula adjustment we have to take minus 1. Minus 1, so take plus 1. Take minus 1, so take plus 1. From this term, take minus outside. Minus outside. In the bracket, 5 raised to x. We have to take minus 1. So take plus 1 upon totally take divide by x. Remember? Divide by x. Then next is 4 raised to x. Minus 1 is there. So just only we have to take this x at denominator, x, multiply by x. This adjustment is very important. Only here 9 raised to x. This is according to this formula. So in this formula we require minus 1. So 9 raised to x. Take minus 1, take plus 1, then take minus out. Then 5 raised to x. Again take minus 1, plus 1. Divide by x. We require, so multiply by x also there. Now how we write this? Right here, multiply by x. See, we solve this question here. Right here is equal to limit as x tends to 0 in bracket 9 raised to x minus 1 plus 1, take minus 5 raised to x minus 1 plus 1. Take totally divide by x. We require here x. Whatever this value we require here. Here is x. So we take x. Multiply by x. And then at denominator 4 raised to x. Minus 1 is there. Only we require this value x. Here divide by x. So multiply by x. Once again. 9 raised to x, for the formula take minus 1, take plus 1. We take minus 1, so take plus 1, take minus outside, 5 raised to x, again take minus 1, so that take plus 1, and we take divide by x. Whatever this value here we take. Here is x, so here x, divide x, so multiply by x. Similarly, 4 raised to x minus 1. Whatever this value here, right? So we take here x. Here is x, so take x. That means we divide by x, so multiply by x. Then x from denominator, x from numerator get cancelled. Here is, this is important, this is plus 1. Due to this minus sign, this is minus 1, get cancelled. This is plus 1. Due to this negative sign, this is minus 1, get cancelled. And then use formula. Use formula. Limit at this limit. 9 raised to x minus 1 upon x, take separate. Limit as x tends to 0. 9 raised to x minus 1 upon x, take separate. That means this denominator we use for every term or group of 2 terms in this way. So for this group we use this. Again there is minus. In the bracket there is 5 raised to x minus 1. So use denominator x. Here and denominator. And denominator 4 raised to x minus 1 upon x is there. This value we take for denominators every term or group of terms. For these two terms, we take x, denominator, minus. For these two terms, we take this denominator, and denominator actually is 4 raised to x minus 1 upon x. Now next step is, here next step is, here add this limit. This is log 9 a raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a. 9 raised to x minus 1 upon x, log 9, here minus 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x, log 5. 4 raised to x minus 1 upon x. At this limit, value of this term at this limit, log 9. Value of this term at this limit, log 5. Value of this term at this limit is log 4. Log 4 is equal to, here if we see, then there are two terms, there are two log terms, and there is difference. So write log 1 and take division, 9 upon 5, and there is log 4. Not next simplification, stop here. Log 9 minus log 5, log 9 upon 5, log 4. So this is the final answer. Log 9 upon 5 upon log 4. This is the answer.